What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Manor Lords. We are just thriving and building a whole bunch of new buildings, homes. We got a marketplace here selling some meat and berries. We got food, we got water, we got everything we need. So, we got all of these houses here. We built quite the farmland over here. We got 1, 2, 3 different farmhouses. We got a windmill, a communal oven, and a malt house. And of course, we got our logging camp that's taking out trees over here, so we can kind of spread this way just a bit. Like I said before, I don't want to get too far over here near the animals. With that being said, let's see, we're over here. We have quite a good chunk of the map that we have built up on. We got farmhouses over here that are getting our vegetables in, and forager hut. We don't have anybody there. If you missed it, like I said, we got 12 months of food. We did forest management, which doubled the wild berries. So now we have 256 wild berries that we could pick possibly at one time, which is insane. We got a lot of charcoal. We got a little bit of firewood, bunch of vegetables, bunch of berries, a little bit of bread, a little bit of eggs. So we are doing pretty well. We got a bunch of planks. I did take off the people at the saw pit. I did end up building a storehouse. We built some more houses over here. What else did we get done? I got a granary here. We don't have anybody in the storehouse, but that's okay. We can get that going. Put at least a couple in there for that. Let's see. We got a tailor shop and a cobbler shop. Let's see, advanced. We got leathers, which will give us shoes. I need to go to the. Let's not trading post. Go to the trading post. Let's see what we are trading. I don't exactly remember what we're trading. Let's see. We don't have any crops. Major trades. Food. We're not trading any food. We are exporting charcoal. So we are getting some money through the charcoal. And we're importing dyes. There was a reason why we were importing dyes. I can't remember the reason why. Let me see. This is why. Let's keep a couple in reserve. Yarn. How do we make this? Linen. Cloaks. How are we doing on 31 cloaks? Okay. So we're doing the yarn. We got a brewery here and a brewery there for the malt. Let's see. Weaver shop, yarn and wool. So we got that's why we did that. That's the wrong one. So we got yarn and we got dyes, and now we're making cloaks. So that's why we have 31 cloaks. We got 36 ale. That's good. We need to put somebody here on the large tavern so we can do some upgrading, because we are only at a large village, which, I mean, we are a pretty large village, but we definitely have a lot of room to grow. Somebody's not happy. Let's see. We got a bunch of sheep. 14 in this fat pasture. We got 21 in this pasture. And we're sitting at 5 in this pasture. And I do believe we are... where are we at? Trading livestock trade. We're not importing lambs and we're not exporting sheep. So I'm going to go ahead and import lambs. And just basically let them grow, and we got enough. I mean, we're basically only gonna get 12 of those. So, I mean, we got a nice little pasture here and all that good stuff. So I'm not too worried about that. We do have people on that. We got somebody there. Supply and demand, entertainment supply, advanced. People transporting, brewery, advanced, malt. Do we have people in the malt house? We do. Okay, good. All right, good. So we're doing good there. We got people there getting bread. I just have a single person there and a single person there and a single family there. So looks like we're doing okay. It is January, so we are going to be March. We're going to do some planting of the fields. So that's coming up here pretty soon. 12 months of food. What we got going on here? We got chickens. We got a bunch of chickens. Okay, we got chickens. All right, well, we're good on the chickens. That's for sure. Ooh, we could upgrade this to a level 3. Let's do that. Upgrade this one to a level 3. Can we do that? Yeah, let's do that. Level 3. We just need a couple level 3 houses so we can get upgrade the... Let's see, can we upgrade? Let's see, upgrade any of these? Doesn't look like it. It looks like we're missing the tavern supply, which is not a big deal. There we go. Let's see. Can we upgrade that to a level 3? Can upgrade that to a level 3. Where's our tavern at again? Entertainment supply. We'd probably have to build a tavern up here to get these homes all situated as well. So what do we go? We have 1 living space available. We have 83 constructed and 82 occupied. So we could definitely build some more housing. Iron deposit. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Ooh, that would be a nice one. That one's got fish. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up a bit. I think we're all good to go. We got the berries, eggs. Of course, we got honey that ever comes in every now and then. I'm going to see about the regional wealth. We have 100% public order with a 95% approval rating. And we have 266 people that are living in our village. Work area is empty. So let's go to advance. Go here. And I think we're going to take out some of the trees there. There we go. Let's go ahead and exit that out. I did notice in the video last time it was kind of laggy, so I did change some settings up in the recording, so it looks good. Ooh, there we go. Level increased. So now that's going to give us a point. I don't think we can. I think this is going to be our last point. Oh, maybe not. Okay, not a problem. So now that we kind of got the tavern thing going, let's see where we're at. Regional wealth. Not enough of regional wealth. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and go to the livestock trading post, and we're gonna no trade. Let's save some money there. Let's see, large tavern. I'm trying to think of what could. Let's go to trade. We don't. We got some cloaks. We're probably going to have to. We're probably going to have to no trade on the dies for now, so that way we can do some upgrading to the level 3. What else could we sell? I'm not seeing anything else that we could sell right off the bat. We don't have really anything in storage food-wise. Let me think here. I don't want to get rid of any food right now. Let's see, we got 50. We don't have any current surplus of anything. We got yarn. We got a bunch of yarn. Actually, there we go. We could export some yarn too. Let's just go ahead and make that like 200 or something like that. There we go. Perfect. And then let's kind of fast forward till maybe February or so, and we'll. All right, we're back, and I'm gonna guess it's starting to get to late February because everything's starting to mount. With that said, though, we should be able to upgrade this, and let me see if there's entertainment anywhere else. No, I'm gonna go ahead and get another family in there. And a large tavern supply. Brewery, tavern supply. I don't know why. Maybe that's it. There we go. We can upgrade that. Upgrade that. Can upgrade this one. Upgrade this one. Requirements not met. There we go. And that looks like all we can do for now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. Ooh, how are we getting influence? That's the question. People. Are we taxes? Okay, we have a 2% tithe to the church. Okay, so that's not a big deal. Because we need 2,000 influence to gain another territory. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this until April or maybe March. And then we'll take care of the fields. All right, so we are in March now, and we got some nice housing coming along here. We'll go here to a large tavern, and 4 ale. How we doing on the bread? We got bread. We don't have any bread. Okay. Brewery, that's under construction. Okay. So we're gonna put this as a wheat. Let's do this wheat. Barley, barley, barley. Field wheat, wheat. That's all wheat. So actually, barley, barley. Let's go make that barley. We'll make this barley. And that one can be wheat. Okay. So with that being said, now let's add a bunch of people to the farm. As many as we can. And then we should see them. Wheat, barley, 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 barley. Wheat, 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 barley. So if I zoom, there should be a flood of people coming out here to the farm, and here they come. Let me go ahead and zoom in just a bit. Because we got everybody coming out. Yep, here they come. Get everything situated over here. So we're gonna I'm gonna need to make some more farm field here. And then, so is this one finished? It is. So we can actually, I'm gonna move this over here. Maybe? Actually, let's move it over here. There we go. And then while they're doing that, these supplies should be getting moved. We have 100%. Oh, something happened. We went down from 100 to 86 up there, so I'm not sure what happened there. We don't have any more ale. Okay. Yeah. We need more ale. We are a little bit of hurt on that portion of it. I'm gonna head and play. And then once this goes through, I'm gonna make a farm field here and then make a farm field here. And then kind of expand these homes just a little bit this way, and then I'll probably come this way, so we could put some homes here, and then put some homes here as well. Seems like everybody's. I'm gonna have to fast forward this again because yeah, we need more people over here. Here they are. All working hard. Look at that. That is pretty cool. All right, and then I think they're done. They are done. So we'll go back to just having the one there, the one there, and then having the one here. And then we pretty much have to just wait until all these supplies get moved out to somewhere else. We may need some more oxes. Let's go ahead and go to trading posts here. Let's go to trade. I'm not really sure. There we go. We're doing fine on the yarn. And we're also doing fine on charcoal. So I'm just going to go ahead and not trade that right now. And then let's get some. Where's the dye? There's the dye. Let's import dye. Uh, 881. Large tavern. Yeah. I don't know if we're going to need to build another brewery expansion or not. That is a good question. Maybe have 2 homes. Doing the brewery thing. Okay, so let's do farming fields. Okay, so I'm going to kind of split this one. About right here. And it'll come this way. And then come this way. There's one. And then we'll come this way. And then I'll come just a little bit that way. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Here? That's fine. And then we'll do one here. There we go. Fallow, yeah. So that's good. Alright, so we got 3 more fields. And let's go ahead and go to residential. I'll kind of build out this way. Or, let me see if I can build a road here to there. There we go. And then we can do houses. Let's go this way. I'm thinking maybe we come about like right here. Maybe just a little bit bigger. There we go. And we can build that. Go this way. I don't know if this is going to be big enough. It's going to be big enough to build some houses. Of course, we're going to have to do that, and then we can build. There we go. Construct some more houses. We're going to have to go here to advanced. Actually, go to general. Advanced. And I just need to get just these out of the way, right here. Hopefully that doesn't make them migrate anywhere. Oop, we gotta get the berries. I forgot all about the berries. Let's get those berries, or else we're not gonna make it very long. We got 256 seasonal berries, so hopefully we get that pretty quick. I knew I was forgetting something. There we go. They're not growing anymore, so these 256 berries is all we're going to get. Which is going to put us about 600 or so. So not too bad on that go around. Pantry is full. Forger hut. Oh, it's okay. We're getting on it. Let's go ahead and get a large storehouse and large granary. Yeah, we're doing fine. And there should be another large granary. That's a storehouse, forger hut, saw pit, tannery. There's somebody there in the tannery. Where is there? That's a storehouse. That's a storehouse. There's the granary. So, yeah, we're not doing too bad. Not doing too bad on space. Eggs. Yeah, we're doing fine. Our storehouse there is fine. Our storehouse here is fine. I mean, we got a lot of stuff here. And I believe we are exporting yarn, so if we're not, we're going to be. There we go. Export yarn, exporting charcoal. Oh yeah, we are doing magnificent. Actually, it's going to be almost harvest time soon in September. Their work area. Let's go to advanced. And we're going to kind of just trim out these trees right there. We are almost up to a medium-sized town. And we're going to be harvesting a bunch of... harvesting a bunch of land here. I have to construct a farmhouse. Yeah, I'm gonna have to construct another farmhouse. I'm gonna put it there. And that's gonna be very high of importance. I'm gonna kind of fast forward for this just a bit. There we go. Hopefully they can get that built pretty quickly. Maybe not. Or maybe not. We're doing great on money. Oh, it's September. Let's go ahead and play. And we're going to have to get everybody... on harvesting. We have 6 families that we can still assign. So once this gets built up, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll just leave 1 family out and about. Work area is empty. Forger hut. Good job. So then we can come back here. There we go. Perfect. Get all of this haul harvested. Ooh, let's play first. We are gonna... Can I fallow? Fallow. No, not yet. Can I fallow? Okay, I'm gonna have to kind of just keep watch here. And just keep check. Oop, yep, we can fallow this one. There we go. That's in fallow. Let's go ahead and fallow this. So what I like to do is, once I harvested a crop, I like to fallow it, so that way we don't have to worry about crops disease or anything like that. So these are all fallow now. Oop. Not yet. Can we do this one? Fallow? No. Okay, that can be fallow. That can be fallow. That's fallow. Okay, so we pretty much have all of our fields fallowed except for this one. So I can kind Almost. Fallow, fallow, fallow. All right. So basically, I think it's once they get all of the barley stored here gone. I'm not real sure what's going on here. There we go. Fallow. Okay, so I'm going to speed that up again. All of these are fallowed. And we're looking good. We are looking good. Can actually make some more residential houses here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and play that slow-mo. There we go. And then that's pretty much it. We're not building any more this way. We pretty much, we're done, we're stopped, we can't do anything else. So these houses here are going to be the last houses that we build over there. So now we kind of need to start pushing this way with the building. So let's go ahead and get that going. We'll have quite the farm here. Because I'm gonna go this way. Maybe go over here. Come this way with it. There we go. And then we'll go this way. Come down here. Then there's that one. I just don't know what I'm going to do over here. It's quite the bit of farmland. If we could kind of maybe get these trees out of the way, this could be some more farmland as we kind of build this way, or maybe we just kind of stop building this way for now and we just worry about building this way, because we need we're gonna need a lot of farmland, a lot of it. And then the only else thing I can think is we stop building farmland this way and we start coming this way with it. So like this like little roadway come here, and then it would obviously connect somewhere, you know, over here. We could build that and then come this way, build that. There we go. So now we have like a road, and then this, it will be more farms, more farmland. I mean, we definitely have to build some more farmhouses. I don't know can I get rid of it? I can. So I can always get rid of this and start building houses along this way, and then start kind of doing things toward this way here, and then just turn this into farmland. We definitely have enough things to do it for. So there's that. How we turn it? How we look in here? Oh, we got a bunch of people in there. Go ahead, take them out. Go ahead and take them out. Windmill. Communal oven. Do we have a bunch of bread already? No, we don't. Why not? Why don't we have a bunch of bread? House. There we go. All right. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, man. Sorry I was gone for a while. Yeah, I just got a promotion at work, so I haven't had really much free time to record. So hope you guys enjoy the video, man, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Later.